What's up, everybody? Paradox 2311. Got a quick score. Picked up some 45 Colt on the low. 225 grain. These were 19 bucks. I think the original price of these were $44, I think, or 50. So found these at a Walmart I don't usually go to. Actually, I've never been to. Got these this morning, 756. Not much to talk about. I will say this though. Last couple of weeks I've probably been into 15, no more than 20 Walmarts. I've not seen one single box of tool ammo 7.62 by 3.9. I don't know if that's going crazy with the Perfecta or what. Let me know what you guys are seeing on your shelf as far as the 7.62 by 3.9, because I haven't seen any. I don't recall seeing any in anyone's videos lately of the ammo cases. That's it for me. Paradox 2311. You guys have a good weekend. Get yours, so I'm gonna get mine.